Good morning, children. Today we will going to do lesson number 4 of your English literature. The name of the chapter is An Officer and a Gentleman, which is given on page number 46. In this chapter we will going to read about an Indian officer whose name was Colonel Vasant Venugopal. But before that we will going to see what is the National Bravery Award. The National Bravery Award was a set of awards that are given to children usually below the age of 16 years for meritorious act of bravery against all odds. This category of awards presented by the Prime Minister of India on Republic Day has a very interesting history. So children understood what is the National Bravery Award. It is given to the children below the age of 16 for their bravery, for the meritorious act of bravery which they have shown in their life by the Prime Minister of our country. And when it is given on Republic Day all over the country. All over the country, the children are selected for their bravery and they are awarded as the National Bravery Award. Let us see when it is started and who started this National Bravery Award. On 2nd October 1957, the first Prime Minister of a country, Jawaharlal Nehru, was watching a show at Ramlila grounds, Delhi. Suddenly, a short circuit set a decorated tent on fire. A 14-year-old boy, Harish Chandra Mehta, was serving as a scout on the ground. He swiftly cut through the tent using his knife, thus saving the lives of all the people who were trapped inside it. This incident led Jawaharlal Nehru to propose the idea of honoring brave children across the country. Thus, the National Bravery Award was established. So, because of this incident, the National Bravery Award was established by our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. Now, let us read about the heroic Indian Army officer life. Colonel Vasant Venugopal was born on 25th March 1967 to Prafulla and N.K. Venugopal in Bangalore, India. He was the younger of the two brothers. His father's work required the family to travel throughout Karnataka. Thus, the family moved to Udupi, Shimoga, and Bangalore. Colonel Vasant's school notebooks were always filled with detailed drawings of battle, tanks, and uniformed soldiers. He loved reading war stories and was fascinated with armed tanks and weaponry. Such was his reverence for the uniforms that even as a child he never failed to salute a policeman or a guard on duty. So understood, this is the man. Colonel Vasant Venugopal was born on 25th March 1967. Father and mother was Prafulla and N.K. Venugopal in Bangalore. He is the younger brother out of two. His work required the family to travel throughout Karnataka. So the father was having a transferable job, so he was keep on moving from one place to another. He visited Udupi, Shimoga, and Bangalore. When he was in school, his notebooks were always filled with the drawings of battle, tanks, and uniformed soldiers. And whenever he see the policeman or a guard on duty, he used to salute them because he was already passionate towards the army. In college, he joined the National Cadet Corps and participated in the Indo-Canada World Youth Exchange Program in 1986-87. Colonel Vasant joined the Indian Army Military Academy in Dehradun in 1988. On 10th June 1989, he was commissioned into the Maratha Light Infantry in a military career spanning 18 years. He served in Pathankot, Sikkim, Gandhinagar, Ranchi, Bangalore, and various sectors of Jammu and Kashmir. So, after joining a military army in Dehradun, he got transferred to so many places. I go where my men go was the motto of his brave officer. This officer. He always led from the front and would be with his troops even in the face of great danger. Yet, This daring officer was at heart a man of peace who enjoyed the simple things of life. He craved for the most mundane of activities. Mundane means routine of activities that everyone takes for granted. Ordering a pizza, eating hot chocolate fudge, and drinking filter coffee. Colonel Vasant was a protector and creator and valued life in every form. This was evident from an incident that occurred in the mountains of Sikkim in the winter of 1993. During a routine patrol, Vasant and his team spotted some movement in the undergrowth below a cliff. They made their way carefully to the edge of the cliff only to discover that it was a deer caught in a hunter's snare. None of the soldiers were ready to go down the steep slope to rescue the deer, but Vasant could not just walk away, and neither would he force his men to do what he himself was not prepared to do. So he made his way down the precarious slope, risking his life to set the animal free. It was a moment of great satisfaction to him. So he saw the deer under the hunter's snare, and he decided that he will going to save the deer anyhow. And he, not only himself, he forced his other people also to help him. So this is the half story of Colonel Vasant Venugopal. We will be doing more about him in our next class. Thank you.